Welcome to a quick unboxing video. I'm just gonna make this quick. I fell into like the ordering frenzy of everyone else for gear over the weekend, and I ended up ordering a Olight Perun or Perun, and I got a free multi-tool. I picked up the headband for like $1. So, and if you missed my review on the banter, please watch it. This is a great knife. So it aids me in the, oh shit, I don't even need a knife to open this. I thought for sure it would. Read me. I'm not going to read on the camera. The presentation is pretty good. Cool. And this patch that you can stick to any hat that has Velcro on it is pretty amazing. I mean, if you have a hat and you have Velcro, you don't need the headband. So, no idea what that is. I guess I have to read the instructions. That's the charging cable. It's pretty cool. I don't know if it will be charged. Probably a lanyard. And then there's the light. It's so tiny. I mean, I wonder if it's charged. Oh, no. Sorry, it's not charged. Maybe I'll post a second video of when it's charged to show you how it lights up the room. Otherwise, oh, you should read instructions. Maybe it's this way. Yeah. So you can angle it up and angle it down just using the clip in this patch, this little thingamajig on this patch. I'm going to check out the multi-tool. You know, if I had fingernails like a girl, I could open this. Nothing like a free multi-tool. Cool. I mean, it's not fancy, but it's free and it's decent. You can't, nothing beats free, in my opinion. And there's a key ring. Perun or Perun Mini. I don't know. Limited edition, probably because of the orange color. And that's the headband. And you basically stick the Velcro badge and to this headband and wear it on your head. It's only $1, but Most headbands would probably be better if there was a strap coming over the head, so just more secure. But it's not bad for $1. Comes out easily. I don't know what this tool is for. Maybe it's for opening up the flashlight. But that's my unboxing video of the Olight Perun and a multi-tool and a headband over this weekend. And stay tuned for my next video on this knife. It's like the Gerber Sumo. I got it through Drop. It's probably not exclusive to them, but I don't know. I'm new to Drop, so. But they sent me the wrong knife. I ordered the other version that has a black wash blade, and it has like a different handle color. Like, I mean, I think it's more white or more black. I don't remember. But they sent the wrong freaking knife. And I don't know how I feel about this knife. But I'll know by the time I post the review. So it's kind of cool that they're using this axis lock, Benchmade axis lock, but this, I find this too hard and too big to make use of the axis lock and for flipping abilities, because one, it's on washers, because it's not drop shutty at all. So not being drop shutty probably means it's too tight to flip open too. So they're just using the access lock for locking purposes. But if you're interested in this fidgetability wise, it doesn't have any. So I won't go over my review now. And thanks. I was going through to get like Chinese and flipping the knife constantly. My fingers are about had it for flipping and squeezing the liner lock. But all right, thanks. Bye. Oh, please subscribe. Please subscribe, or tell your friends. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Okay, my bathroom's kind of dark. I think that's the lowest setting. Okay. Held it in. I think that's the medium setting. High setting. But pitch black. That's the Olight Perun Mini. Thanks.